Hi guys, this is Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Today I'm participating in the Forget Me Not Valentine's Day Cards Hop, where we will be featuring a digital kit from TaylorMade Cards for You. You guys probably already know that I do a lot of things with Monica's kits. I've been working on her design team for 2 years, and although she's no longer doing the design team, I still love her projects, and she is still occasionally providing me with some stuff to play with. And that's what's going on with this hop today. Each of us are going to be using this digital kit, and I went ahead and printed out a couple of the pages. I think that this is perfect just to make a set of cards. I mean, look at this lovely, lovely background. I don't know. Sometimes I see some paper and it's like, oh my god, I love that. Anyway, I did want to let you know a little bit about what's going on. The theme of today's hop is non-traditional colors, blue Valentine's Day cards. We are going to be having this hop beginning on the 28th, and there is also going to be a giveaway. This is a giveaway hop, open internationally, and the hop is open for 1 week. The giveaway will be to receive the exact kit that we're going to be using today. So we are featuring the Forget Me Not kit from TaylorMade Cards for You as part of the giveaway hop. And there's going to be a Rafflecopter giveaway entry form down in my description box so that you'll be able to enter to win. Now be sure to watch all of the hop videos because I know that there's going to be a lot of inspirational projects for you to see, and we would love for you to comment and give us a big thumbs up. We all love to receive your comments every single time because, we just love hearing from you. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I think the first thing that I'm going to do, because like I said, I love this paper. I don't know if I'm going to use any of the other pages that are in here, but this is 4 cards in and of itself. All it really needs is a sentiment. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out the ephemera that I have here and move forward from that. Okay, now that I've got all of those cuties cut out, now I need to kind of decide what do I want to do with this card. Now I like that this orientation has the bird right side up, and that is awesome. So I'm thinking, first off, the number 14 for Valentine's Day, and then one of these other images. I really like this little guy, or little girl. So maybe not 100% sure, but what I am thinking is I think I need a little bit more color. So I've got some medium blue cardstock. Yes, I like that. So I'm going to matte my panel with this, and then I think I'm also going to matte a couple of these little guys on the back of it too. And then cut those out with that little tiny border that I like. Okay, next I'm going to add the 14 for Valentine's Day and one of these other cute little images to the front of my panel using some foam tape. So that looks pretty cute. And there's so many little images that I get a lot to pick from. Okay, and next I'm going to go ahead and add each of these to the front of a white card base. Here's the first one that I did. And then as a final touch, I've got to, of course, add some little gems. And that is going to finish up these cards. Aren't they just adorable? And I have some ephemera pieces left over. I think I am going to print out quite a few more of the 14 just because it's so darn cute. And I'm going to have to make stickers out of these. This is Monica, if you're watching this is a fantastic set. I absolutely love it. So you guys, be sure to check out the rest of the videos on this hop. There's going to be a lot of inspiration for you to see using this specific digital kit from TaylorMade Cards for You. If you want to see more that I have created using some of Monica's kit, be sure to check out this video here. You guys have a wonderful day, and remember, if I can make it, you can too. Oh, one last thing though, since you stayed to the end, I'm going to be giving away this set of cards to one lucky commenter on this video, so be sure to leave a comment down below and tell me which of the 4 that you like the best. We've got the little bluebird, we've got the little sparrows, we've got the lady, and we've got the little girl. So make sure to list one of the 4 down in the comments, and I will be choosing someone in the next week, actually at the end of the week, to win this set of 4, I'm thinking Valentine cards, so that you can give those out to some of your gal pal friends. So you guys have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.